Today, I'm going to show you how to adjust the frame rate color changes in Photoshop animation. If you've ever worked with Photoshop's animation feature, understanding and managing the frame rate can make a huge difference in your workflow and the final outcome of your project. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what those color changes mean, how to monitor your frame rate, and some best practices to keep your computer running smoothly as you animate. Let's dive right in. Start by opening up Photoshop, just like you normally would. Make sure you've got the file you want, or even a blank canvas if you just want to experiment. The first essential step is enabling your timeline. This is what allows you to create and manipulate animations inside Photoshop. So, up in the top menu, click on Window and then select Timeline. You'll see the Timeline panel pop up. This is where all the animation magic happens. Now, let's get a feel for how playback works. On your Timeline panel, you'll see a play button. Go ahead and click play. You'll notice as your animation starts, there's a green line that begins moving to the left-right above your timeline. Think of this line sort of like the progress bar you see when watching YouTube videos. It shows you how far the animation has played through. That green bar is literally visual feedback that playback is occurring in real time. So, if you ever wonder if your animation is actually playing, look for the green. Let's pause for a moment and talk about what happens when you stop playback and want to start over. If you hit stop and try to drag the playhead back to the beginning, you'll see that the green line doesn't disappear from the timeline. This can trip up a lot of people. The reason is, Photoshop keeps the rendered frames in memory, so playback can be smoother if you want to watch it again. Basically, the green indicates frames that have been cached, kind of like how your browser stores parts of a website to make things quicker next time. But here's something crucial to keep an eye on as you work. Just under the timeline, you'll notice text that says 30 FPS. That stands for 30 frames per second, which is the speed your animation is playing. Once playback starts, this text actually turns green. That's a good sign. It means your computer is handling the playback smoothly and frames are being buffered properly. However, the color can change depending on what's happening on your system. If you're working with higher frame rates, or if your animation has a bunch of layers and effects, your computer needs more memory to keep up. If it starts running out of memory, the 30 FPS text will switch to red. Think of this kind of like a warning light in your car. When it turns red, it's signaling that your PC is struggling to keep up with the demand. If that happens, consider lowering your frame rate, simplifying your animation, or closing other programs to free up memory. And don't worry if you run into this issue, it's common, especially with older computers or intensive animations. The most important thing is to keep monitoring those colors. Green means good to go. Red means you might need to make adjustments. So, that's the rundown of how to adjust and keep track of frame rate color changes in Photoshop animation. Understanding these color cues will help you make smoother, higher quality animations without unexpected hiccups. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. I love helping out the community. And if you want more Photoshop tips and animation tricks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.